Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website for a brand. First, clearly define your website's purpose and who you want to reach. Think about your brand's unique story and what makes it special. Next, map out the key pages your site will need, like an About Us or Contact page. Finally, set a realistic budget and timeline for bringing your vision to life. This foundational planning ensures a strong start. Now let's choose the right platform. Options like WordPress offer flexibility, while Shopify is great for e-commerce. Your design should be responsive, looking fantastic on desktops, tablets, and phones. Integrate your brand's unique colors, fonts, and logo throughout for a cohesive look. Prioritize intuitive navigation so visitors can easily find what they need, enhancing their overall experience. Engaging content is crucial for your brand's website. Craft compelling text and visuals that resonate with your target audience. Implement search engine optimization, or SEO, by using relevant keywords naturally throughout your site. This helps people find you through search engines. Don't forget to include clear calls to action, guiding visitors on what to do next, like shop now or learn more. Before launching, rigorously test every page and feature to ensure everything works perfectly. Once live, promote your new website across social media, email, and other marketing channels to attract visitors. Ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly update your content and security measures to keep your site fresh and safe. Monitor performance metrics and user feedback to continuously improve your brand's online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.